What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So the reason why it took a little bit for, until I posted another video is because I was thinking I wanted to start customizing my truck like before I post a video. So I mean, here's the truck right now. Once again, it's a 1991 Ford F-150. So I haven't been customizing the outerior or the exterior yet. I've just been customizing the interior, so I'll go ahead and show you guys that. Here it is. I got a new steering wheel cover, I got a new seat cover, I got some new floorboards, and I got some new pedals for it. I'm gonna go get those real quick. Just be right back. So I got these nice little foot pegs right here. I'm guessing the big one is for the gas. I'm guessing these two. One of them's clutch and one of them's brake. So yeah, that's that. And then on my keys, I got this nice skeleton thing on my keys. They're pretty cool. I'm also planning on putting these things somewhere, like either in the bottom right here or probably outside of the truck. I don't really know. I don't know if like I can or not. But yeah, I've been doing a lot, and I just wanted to post this video, just to show you guys what I've done to this truck. Maybe next video, I'll go ahead and put these things on right there on this. And then I guess I'll also just put these somewhere. I don't even know where I could put these, to be honest. Yeah. So yeah, this is the truck. I guess I'll go ahead and start it up for you guys. Drop my keys, hang on. There we go. Thing barely started up. Let's go see how it is. My bed is flooded with water. Yeah, bed is kind of flooded a little bit. Alright, well that's the truck. Well yeah, I just wanted to show you guys all this. Maybe next video, if it doesn't take a while, I'll put the brake pegs in, all that. Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, share this video to your friends. I don't know, just hope you enjoyed the video. Yep. Alright, well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. So, forgot to mention, it might be until probably 2 weeks until I can post again, because I'm going to be going on vacation on the 25th. So I don't know how many weeks it'll be, but it's next week, and then I think the week after next week, I'm probably not going to post, because I just don't want to, or I'm just going to be tired, and I just want to hang out, play games and stuff. So yeah, probably be another 2 weeks, or maybe another month, maybe another 2 months. I don't know. I don't really know. Depends on when I decide to post, or when I get back from the vacation. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye. I'm gonna punch the camera so it'll turn off.